So where do we even begin? Let's start by looking at the core categories of QuickBooks offerings. Generally, you'll encounter QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. These are the two main branches, and within each branch, there are further distinctions. QuickBooks Online, as the name suggests, is a cloud-based platform. This means you can access your financial data from anywhere with an internet connection, your laptop, your tablet, even your phone. It's built for collaboration, often allowing multiple users to access the same data simultaneously. Think of it as a shared digital workspace for your finances. Within QuickBooks Online, you'll typically find tiers like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. These tiers progressively unlock more features and cater to businesses with increasing complexity. QuickBooks Online Simple Start is often the entry-level option, ideal for freelancers, sole proprietors, and very small businesses. It usually covers the basics like tracking income and expenses, sending invoices, and running simple reports. If you're just starting out and need a straightforward way to manage your cash flow, this might be your starting point. QuickBooks Online Essentials builds upon Simple Start by adding features like managing bills and tracking time. This is a good step up for businesses that have a few more moving parts, perhaps with contractors or regular vendors. The ability to manage and pay bills directly within QuickBooks can be a significant time saver. QuickBooks Online Plus takes things further, often including features like inventory management, budgeting tools, and project profitability tracking. This version is generally suitable for small to medium-sized businesses that need more robust features to manage their operations effectively. If you sell products or need to keep a close eye on project costs, Plus is likely on your radar. QuickBooks Online Advanced is the most comprehensive online offering, often including features like advanced reporting, batch invoicing, and dedicated support. It's designed for growing businesses with more complex needs and a larger volume of transactions. You might consider Advanced if you have multiple users who need customized roles and permissions, or if you require in-depth business analytics. Now, let's shift our focus to QuickBooks Desktop. Unlike its online counterpart, QuickBooks Desktop is a software program that you install directly onto your computer. While it doesn't offer the same level of inherent accessibility as QuickBooks Online, it can be a preferred option for businesses that prioritize having their data stored locally or have limited internet access. Similar to the online versions, QuickBooks Desktop also comes in different editions, typically including Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. QuickBooks Desktop Pro is the foundational desktop version, offering core accounting features like invoicing, bill management, and basic reporting. It's often a good fit for small businesses that prefer a desktop-based solution. QuickBooks Desktop Premier expands on Pro with industry-specific additions like contractor, manufacturing and wholesale, nonprofit, professional services, and retail, and adds features like advanced reporting, forecasting, and inventory management. These industry-specific versions often include tailored charts of accounts and reports designed for those particular sectors. QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise is the most powerful desktop offering, designed for larger and more complex businesses. It typically supports a higher number of users and offers advanced features like enhanced inventory management, advanced pricing, and robust reporting tools. Enterprise often provides more customization options and scalability for growing organizations. So, how do you choose between QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop, and then which tier within each is right for you? Here are a few key considerations. Accessibility. If you need to access your books from anywhere and collaborate easily with team members or your accountant, QuickBooks Online is likely the better choice. Data storage and security. If you prefer to have your data stored locally on your own computer and have control over its security, QuickBooks Desktop might be more appealing. However, keep in mind that you'll be responsible for backups. Features and complexity. Carefully evaluate the features offered at each tier and match them to your current and anticipated business needs. Don't pay for features you won't use, but also ensure the version you choose can scale with your growth. Budget. QuickBooks Online typically involves a monthly subscription fee, while QuickBooks Desktop requires a one-time purchase, though there may be annual maintenance fees for support and updates. Consider your budget and which payment structure works best for your business. Integration. Think about other software you use for your business. Check if the QuickBooks version you're considering integrates seamlessly with these tools. Both QuickBooks Online and Desktop offer integrations with various third-party applications, but the specific integrations available can differ. User count. Consider how many people will need to access the software. QuickBooks Online plans often have limitations on the number of users, while QuickBooks Desktop requires purchasing additional user licenses. Ultimately, the best QuickBooks version for you depends on the unique needs and circumstances of your business. Take the time to assess your requirements, compare the features of each version, and even consider taking advantage of free trials if available. Don't hesitate to consult with an accountant or bookkeeper who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. They can offer valuable insights into which version will not only meet your current needs but also support your future growth. Making the right choice now can lay a solid foundation for managing your finances effectively and making informed business decisions down the road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.